In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your Robinhood account to a cash account in order to avoid the pattern day trading rule. If you're someone who actively trades stocks or is just getting started with Robinhood, you might have come across the pattern day trading or PDT rule. This regulation limits the number of day trades you can make if you're using a margin account and your account value is under $25,000. The good news is that by switching to a cash account, you're no longer subject to those specific restrictions, giving you a lot more freedom in how you trade. Let's walk through the steps to make this change. First, log into your Robinhood account on their website using your usual credentials. While it's possible to use the mobile app for many tasks, managing account types is most easily done from the desktop site, so I recommend starting there. Once you're logged in, head over to your account section. You can usually find this in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile or account icon and then locate the settings menu. From there, search for the option labeled account type. This is where all the details of your account classification are found, whether you're on a margin or a cash account. Now, take a look at your current account type. If you see that you have a margin account, you'll have the option here to switch to a cash account. A margin account allows you to trade with borrowed funds, but it also means you are subject to the PDT rule if your balance is below that $25,000 threshold. Switching to a cash account means you'll only be able to trade with the settled funds in your account. But the excellent part is that you're not restricted by the pattern day trading rule. This flexibility is great for traders who don't want to worry about accidentally hitting a limit on their daily activity. If you're able to switch, go ahead and follow the prompts to make the change. Robinhood usually makes this process straightforward, but make sure to read any on-screen information so you're clear on what the switch means for your trading options. Now, in some cases, you might not see the option to switch directly from a margin account to a cash account. If that's the case, Robinhood may require you to close your current account and open a new one set up as a cash account. To do this safely, you'll need to transfer your funds out of Robinhood entirely and close your existing account. After that, reach out to Robinhood support for specific guidance on opening a new account that is set to cash. They'll help you through each step to ensure everything is set up correctly. Switching to a cash account is a straightforward solution for anyone who wants to trade more freely without worrying about the pattern day trading rule. Just remember to read all disclosures and, if you have any doubts during the process, don't hesitate to contact Robinhood's support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you take better control of your trading activities on Robinhood.